Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to configure Hubspot to detect workflow anomalies and set up alerts. In order to do that, you first need to head over here in your Hubspot by going over to your settings, which is this gear icon right here. Now, once you're in there, you should be able to see all the settings that you have available. For this case, head over to Notifications. Before we continue, it's helpful to understand what workflow anomalies are and why they matter. Workflow anomalies occur when a workflow fails, behaves unexpectedly, or stops enrolling records as intended. Detecting these issues early can prevent missed follow-ups, broken automations, and lost opportunities. By enabling alerts, you ensure that your team is immediately notified whenever something goes wrong, allowing you to take quick action and keep your automation running smoothly without interruptions. Now, when you're in here, you can see all of this. So what we can do is we just need to locate the workflow option so you can get notified for that case. So continue scrolling down until you find it. Here is workflow. So for this case, you can enable this in order to actually enable custom notification from workflow tools. So you can enable pop-up browser, but for now, enabled are bell and email. So with this, you can check the workflow logs from your automation, and you can also use or send internal email notifications using this way as well. So that's all there is today. Thanks for watching. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future Hubspot tutorials. If you have any questions or run into issues while setting this up, feel free to leave a comment below. I regularly respond and create follow-up videos based on your feedback. I'll see you in my next video. Happy automating!